You're a maniac. West side. Then you call me a clown like I'm jiggling like a juggalo. I don't know what you're trying to say, but I'm not fucking with these giggolos. Cause I'm not gay for the number one reason. Number two, got my baby girl standing by the sideway, about to hit the nigga with a 2x4 too. Now I don't know what to do with my nigga standing by my side. What the hell we gonna do? So hot and nice outside. Now we got our bikes out. What the fuck we gonna do? Just scroll around and start fights now? Okay, now it's Mars Hill, so we don't give a fuck. We do it every day. Now we about to start the shit like we in a fucking parade. Now we got the party. Now we rolling up like we got the niggas pulling up in the Maseratis. Now we got them caddies. Sydney's in the Glock. Now you know I got that skull bucket. I'm about to take another shot. Now I'm in the backseat, about to roll the crack down. About to bring the 38 at the back of the window, shoot the whole crowd down. I'm about to bust the guns out loud. I don't know what you trying to say till the nigga yelled out. 9/11's coming down, shut up, nigga. I'm about to bust the track out. Coming this shit, nigga, cause you know the fight's out. I'm about to take it out. Now you know it's Mike Loud. I don't know how to say it, little maniacs back in town. Now you know the party is coming up in my hood, cause I'm rolling with Mars Hill. Now you niggas know what's good. I don't know what to try to say, but you know the party's in my house. Bitches on my dick, I don't know how to say the shit. Cause Mars Hill's my hood. Every day, now you know the same shit. Now what's good? Coming at me right now is gonna eat your fucking face. I don't know what to try to say, but it's too late. Now you see the police sirens in the Mars Hill. Don't be surprised, nigga, it happens every day. Cause you know the shit gets popped up, drunk up, niggas on the weed every night and every day. Now we about to throw it up like a motherfucking parade. Now we about to throw a party in every house in the next 10 blocks. Now you about to run down to my house, 10 to the other nigga. We about to start a fight like it's Fort Knox. Dropping niggas down like an atom bomb. About to spill around, now you know I'm killing it while I'm rapping in the song. This a maniac freestyle, rapping about his hood. I don't know, don't believe me, come down here, we'll show you what's good. I'm about to take you niggas out of Hornville, take your ass out of Hillside. If you wanna talk shit, nigga, you can die. Cause you know I'm out of BK. Now I'm just playing with you, nigga, Brooklyn. I don't know what you're trying to say, but the niggas don't know shoot good. I don't know, bitch, I want you to eat me, bitch, I wish you would. Cause you know I'm rapping out of Fountain Square, then I live in Mars Hill every day. I don't know, my nigga Chad, now he's over there beating bitch from the back. Now I'm about to get it, cause this shit is getting tragic. Bouncing off the track like a bouncing ball, rocking off the wall like a wrecking ball, going get it in like we playing with this crisscross. I don't know, thought it was racquetball. Jump quick, Chris, I'm about to shoot the Glock, take the niggas out with a headshot. I'm about to throw it like a Call of Duty game. I'm about to pop it up, I'm a maniac, my shit is just insane.